Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. So, today I just decided to make this video, family, and I just want you guys to think about it. This video is why Jamaicans are so successful outside of Jamaica. When they travel out, the chances are very high that they will be successful. Why that is, family? Why that is? So I just want to answer this question for you. The reason why that is, family, is because of the what should I say now? What should I say? It's because of why that is, family, is because of the Jamaican proverbs, family. The Jamaican proverbs that actually guide a Jamaican that live outside of Jamaica. You know what I mean? So these are the reason why Jamaicans can be so successful when they get outside of Jamaica. I was just thinking about one that we always say in Jamaica: the higher the monkey climb, the more him exposed, family. So, most people don't actually understand that, and that's just one proverb. We have so many, like millions, and if you know some, actually comment them below and let me know if these Jamaican proverbs that your grandparents used to tell you, or your parents used to tell you, let us know if these proverbs guide you to be a better person and guide you on how to be successful in life, family. So what I want to talk about today is the higher the monkey climb, the more him exposed, family. So in Jamaica, they will say that to you, and that actually goes for people who actually, maybe you come from nothing and you start to get something, and you start to be show off. You start to be like, you start to be like, do things that everybody know about you. So, you come from nothing, and because you get something, you start to do things that everybody and the entire Jamaica know about you. Like, like the entire community start to know about you, just because you get something, and you start to like just buy things that maybe don't need it, like put on an image that don't need it. So so you start to attract a lot of people, start to talk about you and stuff like that. So the higher the monkey climb, the more him exposed, family. So the higher you go up in life, the more you expose. And that Jamaican proverbs can actually guide you in so much ways when you think about it, and stuff like that. Because you'll be actually working at a job or doing something, and people asking you like, how much you making, how much you this, how much you that. Like, people will be asking Jam Tours, how can you afford to come to Africa and living like this? Ray, what did you do, and stuff like that. So it's just teach you that if you're getting success or something is working for you. As you know, the world is now digital, family. I can sit here in this old piece of car right now and I have billions in my account. Nobody don't know. Nobody don't know, because the world is digital, family. And that's the reason why that proverbs is so actually important in this age and time. A lot of people actually lose a lot because they don't understand these proverbs, that the higher the monkey go, the more him exposed. The higher the monkey climb, the more him exposed. They don't actually understand, actually know the meaning of that, or that Jamaican proverbs. They didn't get it, family. So we as Jamaicans, we know these things, that when we actually go out in the world and things start to happen for us, we still stay low key, we still stay normal, we still play a common man. We still not act like say, yo, we have more things than everybody else in the world. We relax and we chill and we just do a thing. You see what I say? So that's a thing where if you grow up on those things, when trouble catch you, pitney shot fit you. That's just another one I'm just naming family. So that's those things actually, instill in you that when trouble catch you, it tell us say you will do anything until you stay out of trouble. Because when trouble catch you, you can actually do things that you don't want to do. So and if you know no more, just comment them before. I have a lot more. I have to maybe try and recall them while I'm making this video right now. But there's so much more in Jamaica, that these proverbs actually guide you. I'll maybe have to research them and see if I can remember them right now, just to actually comment on them so you guys can actually understand and actually, you know what I mean, you know, most of you actually who are Jamaicans, these things guided, but you not really think about it like that. You know, are these things what my grandmother used to say to me, actually, are them are the principle may I use to guide me right now through life. Most people never think about that. So I'm gonna type Jamaican proverbs in Google right now and see what it brings, and see what I can actually come from this family. Let's actually go this out. Finger. So the first one that pop up, let me see what them I say. What them I say, what them I try. Most of them one I didn't even hear about them one of them. So let me actually try and see if I can find some that I know about. Well, let's see. They have a website called nl.govjm. Let me see what them have on this website. Let me see what them have, if I actually can recall of any right here, family. If you're alright, so I'm just gonna read them, family, and you can tell me if you know it, because some of them I don't really know. If you get your hand in a double mouth, take it out. Peacock hide him foot when him hear about him tail. Well, I mean, I know them one that family, trust me. No wait till drum beat before you grind your axe. You hear that I said? That one is a real one. So I understand that one here. That one here I say, yo, no wait till your drum beat before you grind your axe. That means you're supposed to sharpen up your tool. You know what I mean? It means that say, yo, if you work on something, you have to get sharp. You have to like have the information. If you're working on something, maybe you don't know about, or you're trying to get into, you have your job, you're also supposed to have your tool. You know what I mean? You don't wait until somebody call you for a job, you start run and look for the axe. The axe, your axe should be sharpening your axe, sharpening up your axe every day. And that's the reason why, as an entrepreneur, we have to gather information every day to sharpen our axe, to wait for the next big move and the next big wave. Today is the 888. And you guys don't even know that there's going to be a great reset, and the financial market will crash. You just wake up and see everything is digital, and if you don't set yourself up for that, it's going to be a crazy. If you don't actually try to set up yourself up for cryptocurrency and stuff like that, because the dollar is failing the world and people see that and know that, they have to find something now that will actually, you know what I mean, the inflation is through the roof and it's crazy, family. So all of these things that I'm telling you right now, you have to sharpen up your axe, family. Sharpen up your axe and your blade and ready. Because when time come, you're not gonna have time. You know what I mean? It's just like, you know what I mean, in the Bible them say, the pillar of salt. You know what I mean? When time come, you don't have time. You have to just move. You can't look back. Yeah, family, so I understand now one day. You're afraid for your neighbor name head. I don't know some of them and you know what them patois word, yeah. And no want a fat make nightingale foot and soul. Coward man keep sound bone. So that one I know, family. Coward man keep sound bone. So you know what I mean? That's what I tell you, say, yo, you know, don't get yourself into things that really bother you or involve you. So you see a fight and you just maybe, you know what I mean, you know, maybe go in between and try, you know, part them or whatever, then you end up get stabbed. Because you have to be the brave one and you end up get stabbed from one of those persons who is fighting. So that's just what it's saying. It's saying that, you know what I mean, coward man keeps sound bone, and at the end of the day, I don't want to be coward anyways, I want to be brave. So for this one, coward man keeps sound bone. In some instance you have to play coward, but in some instance you have to be brave. So, you know what I mean, cock mouth kill cock. Everybody at Jamaica know that one, yeah? Cock mouth kill cock. And you know, that one, you know, maybe some people have to maybe comment below this one, cock mouth kill cock. I think it means that you say something and it happen. So it's like cock mouth kill cock. You say something and it happen. Yeah. So I don't know if I'm right, but comment below, family. Dog no hole if him in a bone. If you no mash hands, you now find him guts. Old fire tick, easy for catch, family. So what this is saying is like a relationship proverbs that if you have your ex and you might maybe link up in the same country, in the same city, or whatever, you might end up getting back together. So if this ever happened to you yet, comment below. So that one is old fire tick, easy for catch. That I mean to say, and even when you look at it in real life, even when you're cooking with the wood fire and the one that is burned already, and you go back to light the fire, it's always easy to catch. So that one, you know, makes sense. You can't sit down pan cow back cause cow cuss cow skin. So you can't sit down pan cow back and then cuss the cow skin. So it's like, you know what I mean, I'm an employer and I pay your salary, and then, you know what I mean, you still I say bad things about them and stuff like that. So that's what that one means. You shake man hand, but you not shake him heart. You shake man hand, but you not shake him heart. So what I say, family, is that we never hear that one yet, but we can interpret it. That you shake a man hand, and but you don't know why I'm heart. You cannot think so, yo, I wish that man I walk and just dead right now. If me have a gun, I'd shoot him. So these are the things that, you know what I mean, guide us while we go out on this journey. We go out of Jamaica and to be great. So fire that moose tail, him think a cool breeze. We never have to read this one here, because that one here actually all in the music and everything. So we never have to read this. Fire that moose tail, him think a cool breeze. So just come back to what I'm saying right now. They are happy and we have all this money in the bank and things like that. The great reset happened, and a lot of people, you know what I mean, get financially disabled because the system changed. The globalists, them want to change the system to a digital system, and a system that they can control because they cannot control the dollar. So all of you guys happy and this and stuff like that, you know what I mean? Fire that moose tail and think a cool breeze. You think that the world is gonna be like this all the time. You know what I mean? The only thing that we know that's gonna be all the time is the sun shining. Yeah, family. So fire that moose tail and think a cool breeze. You know what I mean? It's just like you're at your job working and you feel like, say, yo, you're irreplaceable. You feel like, say, yo, you know what I mean, you won't lose your job, only to find out the boss call you and say, yo, you fire you, you know, or whatever. You was coming in late, you was doing a lot of stuff, and you know what I mean, you know that fire that your tail. You think it's cool breeze. Anyways, that is for that one. When trouble take you, picnic shot fit you. That one I may actually say it to you before. Who go on bad a morning can come good at evening. What go on bad a morning can come good at evening, family. So there's certain things that happen in life, family, it will never change. So some things, there's most things that happen in life, you know, will never change, and you have to just accept it. So if something go bad, you know what I mean, in the morning, it can't come good in the evening. If your food spoiled in the morning, it can't, you know what I mean, be good in the evening, family. So, you know what I mean, that's just teach a life lesson that, you know, if you miss a flight, you just don't stress over it too much. Just move on and try to do the right thing, family. So, you know what I mean, what it's saying is that you don't dwell on things, what gone bad can't come good, and you just accept it and move on. You know what I mean? Big blanket make man sleep late. I don't know about that one. I can decipher that one, but let's move on. What sweet your mouth? What sweet a mouth? Heart belly. You know what that one there say? Me come here to drink milk, me not come here to count cow. That one here, everybody at Jamaica know that one here. Me come here to drink milk, me not come here to count cow. You hear that, family? So it's just like you go to work, you go for work, you know, come here to actually watch people and who do this, who do that. You come to do your work, get your pays, and go and get your pay and go home. Yes, you come here for work, me not come here for idle and waste time. Pity not the sky, it fall in your eye. Pity not the sky, it fall in your eye. Blood clean. If you know that one there, let me know. I never hear that one there before, but it rhyme up. Can't catch Kwaku, you catch him short. So everybody know that one in Jamaica, family. If you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him short. So what this say is that if a man do something And you can't catch him, you catch him family member, you catch him cousin, you catch somebody that is close to him, his best friend. So that's what that one is saying, family. You can't catch Kwaku, you catch him short. Patient man ride donkey. Blood clot. That one are kind of in between, family, because I don't want to be too patient. Patient man ride donkey. This is one I say, like, you know what I mean? This is one like when I'm too cool and lay back and just patient and wait. You never have to ride a donkey, because donkey is very slow. So it's just crazy to see that one, like, you know what I mean? In life you can't be too patient. You have to go for where you want. You have to take action and things like that. So, you know, if you're patient, you might have ride a donkey, which is very slow, family. So that's just my interpretation on that one. But if you have a better interpretation, I want you to comment all the interpretation below, family. You know what I mean? So trouble there bush and Nancy can't come a yard. wanty can't get it, and get it no wanty no get it no wanty. So you guys, if you guys ever know, all of these Jamaican proverbs are in songs, family. So it's a part of Jamaica, it's a part of the culture, family. So I want you to comment your one below that you like the most and what you think actually inspire you, you know what I mean, to be great as a Jamaican. So like, share, comment on this video, family. Let me know if you want me to do another video of this one. Maybe I have to do part 2. This is like part 1. Maybe I have to do part 2, family. Let me know in the box if you want me to do part 2, and we can explain some Jamaican proverbs that you can maybe use to guide, you know what I mean? Because all of, you know, even my kids them right now, they have to go to Jamaica to live, at least. You know what I mean? They have to live at Jamaica to get that, you know, to get the culture. You know, it's actually looks so bad when you actually say you're Jamaican but you don't know the language, you kind of don't, you know what I mean, you don't have the thing. So, you know what I mean, even people like a lot of international act, even KRS-One, all of those persons, you know, even Busta Rhymes, you know, you grew up with a Jamaican family overseas, and you know what I mean, but you really want to go to Jamaica. In my case, you know, my kids are not from both Jamaicans, so you know, I will have to take them to Jamaica to have them tap into the culture, go school and rap with Jamaicans and catch some of the slangs, and you know what I mean. Yeah, so that's how I want to do it, family. So when they grow big, they don't look at me and say, hey, you never teach me the culture of Jamaican. Now you make people that tease me and I say, yo, I'm not Jamaican. Yeah, so you know, we really want the thing to be organic and the Jamaica culture stick upon them. Alright, family, like, share and comment. Let me know your thoughts. One love, God bless, Jamaica. I'm out.